Hi guys, welcome back. So I'm going to do another makeup look. This one is going to be a little bit more toned down. I'm going to be using oranges and browns and some shimmers as well. So today I am going to do like a full face look. I'm going to start from bare face to the final. You'll see once we get there. So I am going to start with my eyebrows, and I am using the Lancome brow shaping pencil. And I know my eyebrows look a little crazy right now because, well, I can't go do my eyebrows since we have to stay indoors anyways. And I am doing the best I can and working with what I got right now. And then next I'm going to go in with concealer. It's the Born This Way Too Faced concealer. And I like to go in and just clean them up. So after this, I'm going to go in with my foundation. I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way Medium to Full Coverage Foundation. Then I am going to go in with my concealer. So yeah, I'm using the same concealer, the Too Faced Born This Way concealer that I used on my eyebrow. I'm going to go in under the eyes, on the nose, and the chin. With my setting powder, going with the Airspun Loose setting powder. You just take a sponge, pick up some product. After that, I do like to go into my powder, and I like to just put powder all over my face. So then I go into the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit, and I like to use the middle shade, and I do just contour my cheeks. My jawline, and I like to use the same color and go on with my nose. I'm going to use the Too Faced Shadow Primer. So I'm going to use the Morphe palette. I am going to use the 35M Boss Mood palette. And I'm going to be going into this first shade right here, this light brown. And it's called Play It Cool. I'm just going to use a blending brush. And we are just going to put it on the top of your crease. So the next shade I am going to go into is going to be this other darker brown shade, and it's called Peachy Keen. I'm going to use a packer brush, and I'm going to pack that right into my crease. So next color I'm going to put is this orange color right here, and it's called Fired Up. And I'm going to pack that into the end of our eye. And I'm also going to put some in the front. So the next shade I'm going to go into is this orange color right here. It's like a really pretty shimmery orange. It also going to put that in the center of my eye. So first off, I'm going to put a little bit of concealer. So after the concealer, I do like to wet my brush because I am going to go in with the shimmer. And I'm going to go into Bright Eyes right here, this orange shimmer shade. And I have to pop that right in the center. Next, I am going to just clean up the rest of my eye, and I'll be right back. My eye just a little bit, and then I did put some more powder so I can bake my contours. I'm baking my face, and I just want my contour just a little bit more defined. And now I'm just gonna go in and just do the bottom. I am gonna just go in with the orange color today, Fired Up. I'm just gonna go with Fired Up, and I'm just gonna put that all at the bottom of my eye. And then today I'm going to go in with the black liner to just line my waterline. Next I'm going to do my lip, and I'm going to go in with literally my favorite combo with my lip liner. And I'm going to use the Italia Deluxe lip liner in the shade Chocolate. And then after that, I'm going to go in with the Morphe lipstick in the shade called Forevs. And I'm going to put that right in the center. Then next, I'm going to go in with, I'm going to do some highlights. Let's do some highlights. So I'm going to go in with Trophy Wife by Fenty Beauty. I love this highlight. And I'm just going to put it right on my cheekbone. And then I am going to also put it on my brow bone. And then I'm going to pop on some lashes, and I'll be right back to show you the final look. And done with the look. I put on just a little bit mascara on the bottom of my eye, and then I put on my falsies, and we are done. This is the final look. All you have to do is setting spray, just lock it in, and voila. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hope to see you on my other social medias. Go ahead and like and subscribe. See you guys later. Bye, babes.